Your Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, today has been one of transition weather-wise across the region. We had a front that came through about midday. Temperatures were warmest earlier in the day. They've certainly fallen since. There's the view right now from the Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport. Sun setting just 5 minutes before 8 o'clock. As far as current numbers, 53 at the airport. It did touch 70 at the airport earlier today. In the wake of the front, temperatures have continued to fall, and of course those winds quite gusty out of the west-northwest at 15, and we've had gusts over 25, 30 miles an hour. 43 already at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Northwesterly winds sustained there at 20 at the top of the hour with partly to variably cloudy skies. Some other numbers at this hour, you see already some lower 40s from Stanton to Harrisonburg. We've got 49 in Madison. We got 52 in Louisa, 54 right now in Palmyra, and 55 in Dillon. Regionally, you still see some warmth near the coast, but the chillier air is on the march. Look at those temperatures in the mountains already in the 30s where there's ongoing snow, and that's been the case since earlier this morning. There's our 24-hour temperature change, quite significant in the wake of this front. Now, those winds are still going to persist tonight. It's going to be plenty cold across the board. We may not see much in the way of frost, but we do have that freeze potential. So there's the outlook in terms of freeze warning. And just because some counties are not under the warning, if you have any tender vegetation outdoors you wish to protect, certainly do so. We expect temperatures for many of us in the low and mid 30s early tomorrow morning. Some of the colder spots could be in the upper 20s. Now, after a cold start, we've got a cool day, and it's still going to be breezy tomorrow with a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures holding in the 50s, and another cold start early Friday morning with likely more frost because the wind will be lighter. Temperatures here Friday afternoon with partly sunny skies in the low and mid 60s. And then we'll watch rain in here mainly Saturday. We're still watching the timing of that. Looks like early Saturday may start dry, but as we get deeper toward midday afternoon, better chances of rain. Right now, some of the rainfall estimates, American GFS model, that larger blue shaded area representing anywhere from half an inch to just over an inch. The European model, not so much, maybe about a half an inch. So at this time, maybe half an inch to an inch of rain. Things are pretty quiet for us now on NBC29's Doppler radar network. Most of the showers and storms fired off to our east. Those are now well offshore. Still some snow ongoing in the mountains, and basically a cold pool of air aloft is working its way down from the Great Lakes, and that's higher up in the atmosphere. That keeps us chilly, and we're going to see those temperatures here quite cold tonight. So you can see those cooler numbers continue to work over the mountains, and as we start tomorrow morning, we'll start with a lot of sunshine, cold early, upper 20s and lower to middle 30s. It'll still be breezy during the day tomorrow, but the air mass aloft is so cold, the daytime heating will bubble up some cloudiness, and then those will dissipate. And then early Friday morning, we'll start in the upper 20s and low 30s with a better opportunity for some frost. Partly sunny skies Friday afternoon, low and mid 60s. And we'll watch some rain get in here to start the weekend. Temperatures here tonight then, plenty cold under mostly clear skies and still that brisk wind, upper 20s to middle 30s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, after tomorrow, another cold start early Friday morning, and then temperatures here this weekend in the 60s. Good likelihood of rain, especially midday in the afternoon, evening Saturday. Right now.